Welcome to this poster presentation entitled Identifying the Contribution of Internal Representations of Emotion to Facial Expression Recognition. For over 60 years, researchers have extensively studied emotion recognition. Despite being highly related to and potentially important for emotion recognition, it was only recently that researchers began exploring internal representations of emotion. Such studies have typically adopted psychophysical approaches to index the way in which facial expressions appear in the mind's eye and compare these across emotions, cultures, and participant groups. Despite great progress in these areas, research has not yet investigated the extent to which internal representations influence emotion recognition. Therefore, we aim to do so in this study. Specifically, we aim to determine whether those with highly variable and overlapping internal representations of emotion had low scores on an emotion recognition task. In the current study, 45 autistic and 45 non-autistic adults completed two tasks which employed dynamic point light displays of angry, happy, and sad facial expressions. In the first task, participants viewed emotional point light faces and rated how angry, happy, and sad they appeared. Emotion recognition accuracy was calculated as the correct emotion rating minus the mean of the two incorrect emotion ratings. In the second task, on each trial, participants moved a dial to manipulate the speed of a point light face until it moved at the speed of a typical angry, happy, or sad expression. This task operates on the premise that those with less clear internal representations would attribute more variable speeds than those with clearer representations. Therefore, to index the clarity or lack thereof of internal representations, we calculated variability by taking a standard deviation of the speeds attributed to angry, happy, and sad expressions respectively. In addition, we calculated the distance between emotion representations by subtracting the mean speed attributed to one emotion from the mean speed attributed to another. Participants also completed the autism quotient and the Toronto alexithymia scale. We constructed a linear mixed effects model of accuracy as a function of mean variability, mean distance, and the interaction between these variables. This revealed that accuracy was negatively predicted by variability and positively predicted by distance. Those with higher variability and those with smaller distances between emotion representations had lower emotion recognition accuracy. Following this, we ran these analyses in the autistic and non-autistic groups respectively. This identified that for non-autistic individuals, both variability and distance contributed to emotion recognition accuracy. In contrast, for autistic individuals, only distance contributed to emotion recognition. In conclusion, our results illuminate two features of internal representations that are potentially important for emotion recognition: variability of emotion representations and distance between different emotion representations. In addition, our results highlight that different features of internal representations may be implicated in autistic and non-autistic emotion recognition. Thank you.